How to use Instagram saved collections. To use the Instagram saved collections, first of all, launch the application itself, then log into your account. Now, once you're here within your home feed or the Reels tab, you simply have to locate that exact post that you want to add or save it to your collection. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on this bookmark icon over here, right below the post itself. And to view this collection, you will have to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, then tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right, then head to the saved options. From here, you will find the collections section at the top. Go ahead and tap on this. Now proceed to create a collection itself. Give your collection a name itself, and you can also add people or collaborators to this collection. Tap next. Once you have created it, all you have to do is now select any post that you want to add to your collection and tap save. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.